choke.
Hey guys, welcome to TEO'S Garage. We got Mr. TEO looking at our new ride here. This is our new addition. So she's not starting. So we'll play around with it for a bit tonight and see what's cooking. Looks pretty good, eh, Theo?
I don't know why it's taking so much gas.
Well, it could be from just the ride. Bringing her over, get out the trailer. Half decent looking bike, or quad I should say. Well, we'll see how she looks after we're done with it. I'm gonna hook up some power to this thing and see what we can get going. So we're taking the casement off?
Sure.
So we're going to see if we can get this baby sparked up tonight. Okay, Theo, let's see if we get some spark out of this thing. Give it a shot. Hold on. Go again. Go again.
Nothing.
Yeah, we had a spark.
You got spark?
Yeah, hold on. So hey guys, we're back here at TEO'S Garage. Just on a recap from yesterday, we actually did get this thing running. So we had a spark, which was awesome. What was happening was this old gas. I think it sat in there for 20 to 24 months. So we drained out the carb, cleaned it out a bit, put some new fuel in, played around, and we got it running. Now it's going to need a new battery. It's also going to need a shutoff valve. It doesn't have one, which definitely recommend to put one of these things. Otherwise, the unit looks pretty good. Little touch-ups here and there. We'll have to service the front brakes. We'll show you that a little later on. But other than that, TEO'S done a good job. He's had it apart. So, you know, we'll get back to it soon. Have a good night. Morning guys, we're back here at TEO'S Garage. So we're just going to about clean up the frame a bit, removing some of the wiring. We, if you notice back here, we remounted our rear light. Basically the bolts had snapped off. So what we did is, pretty easy fix. Put some bolts back through it. We used plastic bolts, which actually ensure that we're not going to short anything out in the light housing. But that was pretty simple. Anyway, we're getting back to cleaning up the frame a bit, getting rid of some of the surface rust, and we'll be touching that up soon. So you'll get to see what that's all about once she's cleaned up. Also notice that rear brake fluid is a little low. So we'll take a look at that. Maybe we might have to re-put or flush out the rear brake caliper. Brake light now works really well too. Turn the brake off, Theo? Should work perfect now with all the wiring we've done. There we go. Brake on again. Nice. This thing's actually got a high beam and low beam too. We'll show you that in a bit. For 150cc, she's pretty good. Back at TEO'S Garage. As you can tell, we've got this thing running. It's been polished, ready to rock and roll. Looks pretty good. So to recap everything, we did a carb clean. We installed a new battery, touched up all the rust on the unit. We rubbed the rear brake caliper, put some new fluids in. We actually had to flush out the old gas, the new gas, and also
do an oil change on it. She's ready to rock and roll. We'll move on to our next project. Also had a little bit of wiring issues with the front end with the lights. But I'm going to turn the lights on now and it should be good. There we go. Both lights work perfectly. Someone will have fun with this thing. You know, for a jack bike, it's ATV, it's not too bad. It's this.